Hi, my name is James Stroud. I'm a research scientist from Washington University in St. Louis, and also right here at Fairchild Tropical Botanic Gardens in Miami.
And I'm Chris Thawley, an assistant teaching professor at the University of Rhode Island. We're scientists who study anolis lizards, also called anoles, and you'll be helping us through your participation in the Fairchild Tropical Botanic Gardens Lizards on the Loose Challenge.
Different species of anoles live in a wide variety of different habitats. Some live on the ground and at the bottom of trees, some live on the trees and all the way to the top of the trees in the canopy, also called the tree crown, while some avoid trees entirely and live in the grasses that surround the trees. Because of this, many anole species have very specific adaptations to the sort of habitats that they live in. Only one species of anole, the green anole, is native to South Florida. Over the past 100 years, however, at least 5 other species of anoles have been introduced to South Florida from throughout the Caribbean. The brown anole, Anolis sagrii, from Cuba. The crested anole, Anolis cristatellus, from Puerto Rico. The bark anole, Anolis disticus, from the island of Hispaniola, which includes the countries of the Dominican Republic and Haiti. The night anole, Anolis equestris, from Cuba. And the Jamaican giant anole, Anolis garmani, which, not surprisingly, is from Jamaica.
In nature, anoles perch on many different objects, like trees, bushes, and rocks, to help them find prey, establish territories, and display to rivals or potential mates. In cities, however, human-made perches, like buildings, lampposts, signs, and many other objects, can be more numerous than the natural ones. But we don't fully understand how anoles use these new types of perches that are present everywhere in cities.
And not all anoles are the same. Different species use different parts of the environment. Some species specialize near to the ground and have really long legs to run fast across the ground, while other species, like the green anoles, live high up in the trees in the leaves, and so very delicately walk around and use their sticky toes to make sure they don't fall down. But we don't really know yet how different species use these natural environments versus human-made environments, especially in Miami, where there's lots of different species from many different Caribbean islands, alongside our native green anole. And so that's where you come in. As a community scientist here with the Lizards on the Loose project, you'll be tracking the anoles at your schools and in your communities and researching whether they're using these natural or these man-made perches. And this is going to give us some really unique insights into maybe how these species are so successful in being able to invade different environments here in Florida.
Project, you'll be uploading pictures of the anoles that you find to iNaturalist, a website and app for citizen science that allows you to become scientists and work with researchers like us. In this challenge, each school will have one team account where you will add your photos and information about whether each lizard was found on a natural or a human-made perch. We'll be checking your observations every day to help you identify the lizards and offer encouragement and advice. In previous years, Lizards on the Loose participants have made over 5,000 observations to iNaturalist, an incredible effort, and we can't wait to see the data that you're going to create for this year's challenge.
And so from all of us here on the Lizards on the Loose team, thank you very much for all of your hard work on our project.
Thanks. We're really looking forward to working with you to learn how anoles use natural and human-made perches and seeing all of your incredible observations.